Alright, look, 2013 Chevy Malibu. Your engine coolant temperature sensor that's in your radiator. You have two. You have one connected to the thermostat housing, and you have one in your radiator. So to find it, you can get on the ground right here. Look under your car. You might have some splash shields, but I took mine off. Okay, you see the petcock screw right here. This is to release your radiator fluid. The radiator temperature sensor is that one right there, connected. Let me zoom in real quick. Alright, unconnect, disconnect that electrical part, and the coolant temperature sensor is right there. So just pull that out, replace it, and there you go. That's the one that's in the radiator, which if you look this way, is right there. And the other one is your thermostat, which is on the other video I made, but this connector right here is connected behind this thermostat. Alright.